As of Sunday, July 26, 2026, the stock market is closed for the weekend. The official closing price for 3M Company, trading under ticker symbol MMM on the New York Stock Exchange, stood at $172.62 per share at the close of trading on Friday, July 24, 2026, at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. This represented an intraday gain of $3.03, or 1.79%, capping off a remarkable weekly surge that pushed the stock near its 52-week high. Most retail investors and everyday traders tracking industrial stocks through their favorite online investment platforms look at 3M as a legacy manufacturing giant that spent years bogged down by sluggish top-line growth, legal liabilities, and massive restructuring overhead. The common narrative on Wall Street was that this dividend staple would struggle to produce meaningful upside compared to high-flying tech names like Nvidia stock, Apple stock, or Tesla stock. However, the recent trading volume in 3M stock proves that big institutional capital is quietly shifting into high-margin turnaround plays. On July 21, 2026, 3M released its second quarter financial results, reporting adjusted earnings per share of $2.40 on revenue of $6.50 billion. Wall Street analysts had estimated $2.24 to $2.27 per share on revenue of $6.40 billion. That earnings beat triggered an immediate 10% jump in pre-market trading, pushing shares from the upper $150 range toward the $175 mark in a single session. What makes this price movement so fascinating from an analytical standpoint is the gap between expectations and underlying operational reality. Investors had grown accustomed to 3M delivering flat or negative organic growth while absorbing hundreds of millions of dollars in legal settlements and restructuring costs. Yet organic sales growth for the quarter came in at 5.4%, significantly outpacing management's earlier guidance of roughly 3%. Even more striking was the operating margin, which expanded to a record 24.9%. CEO Bill Brown, who took the helm in 2024 to clean up operations and streamline supply chains, appears to be extracting efficiency gains much faster than the consensus model anticipated. That structural shift allowed management to lift full-year 2026 adjusted earnings per share guidance to a range of between $8.80 to $8.95, up from the previous range of $8.50 to $8.70. However, a thorough look at the market reaction reveals a nuance that many casual investors missed while checking their Fidelity mobile app or Robinhood stock trading notifications. While operating income and net earnings looked stellar, free cash flow for the quarter came in at $763 million. While that represented a massive improvement from the cash drain during the same period a year ago, it actually fell short of consensus analyst expectations of $1.21 billion. This divergence between accounting profitability and cash conversion explains why the stock experienced brief profit-taking around $175 before settling into its current $172.62 level. Institutional traders who manage accounts through Interactive Brokers Trading or Fidelity Wealth Management closely examine these cash conversion metrics to see if margin expansion is sustainable or merely driven by short-term inventory adjustments and pricing power. For investors using automated tools like Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, SoFi Advisor, or an intelligent portfolio setup to build long-term wealth, understanding 3M's core business model helps put these financial metrics into context. 3M operates across four main business segments: safety and industrial, transportation and electronics, healthcare, and consumer goods. Historically known for household staples like Post-it notes and Scotch tape, the vast majority of 3M's revenue actually stems from industrial adhesives, personal protective equipment, automotive films, and advanced materials solutions used in electronic manufacturing. Following the successful spin-off of its healthcare division, Solventum, in early 2024, 3M refocused its capital expenditure directly on core industrial innovations and operational discipline. The company's business model relies on high-margin proprietary material science backed by thousands of active patents, allowing it to maintain pricing power even during periods of broader industrial slowdowns. Past performance over the last 5 years was heavily overshadowed by massive legal overhangs, specifically regarding military earplug litigation and legacy environmental liabilities tied to per- and polyfluoroalkylfaldehyde, commonly known as PFAS or forever chemicals. Those multi-billion-dollar legal settlements created significant drag on the 3M's balance sheet, suppressing stock valuation and forcing management to trim its long-standing dividend yield to more sustainable levels. For years, investors who were looking for investment help on investing sites or through self-investing guides were told to avoid 3M due to unpredictable legal exposure. But as those legal payments became structured and predictable over multi-year schedules, the uncertainty premium began to fade, clearing the way for fundamental earnings performance to drive share prices once again. Looking at current trading activity, institutional interest in 3M stock remains robust across major brokerage houses. Analysts at UBS recently raised their price target on 3M to $218, citing strong organic revenue momentum, while Mizuho bumped its target to $180. The stock is currently trading at a price-to-earnings ratio of roughly 30 based on trailing results, but on a forward basis using updated guidance, the multiple looks far more reasonable for a company generating mid-single-digit organic top-line expansion and mid-20s operating margins. Retail traders managing individual brokerage accounts through Robinhood Investments, SoFi Invest, or Fidelity Brokerage Services should take note of how volume spikes on positive earnings days demonstrate institutional accumulation rather than speculative retail flipping. Comment below how many shares of 3M Company you currently hold in your portfolio and whether you believe this industrial rebound will outpace major tech indexes over the remainder of the year. As we evaluate the future outlook for 3M, several critical catalysts and potential risks come into clear focus. On the catalyst side, continued operational efficiency under new leadership remains the primary driver. Management's ability to keep organic sales growth above 3.5% while holding operating margins near 25% creates a powerful compounding effect on earnings. Additionally, the company has demonstrated a strong commitment to shareholder returns, generating $1.9 billion in first-half free cash flow and returning $3.8 billion to shareholders through dividends and aggressive share buybacks at an average price near $153 per share. That level of stock repurchase activity at prices well below current trading levels shows that management was willing to put capital behind its conviction during the early stages of the turnaround. On the risk side, macroeconomic headwinds and trade policy changes pose tangible challenges. Management explicitly noted that full-year performance faces potential tariff-related cost drags estimated between $150 and $175 million. Industrial manufacturers with global supply chains are particularly exposed to changes in global trade policy, raw material price inflation, and foreign exchange fluctuations. Furthermore, while the top-line numbers in safety and industrial manufacturing are expanding, any sudden slowdown in auto production or consumer electronics demand could weigh on order volumes in late 2026. Traders using interactive brokers' fees comparisons, Robinhood Cash Management, or Robinhood fractional shares to build positions should keep a close eye on upcoming industrial production data to gauge broad sector momentum. Whether you execute trades on the go using the Fidelity mobile app, manage a long-term retirement strategy via Fidelity IRAs or Fidelity mutual funds, or research stocks using SoFi stocks and SoFi trading platform tools, 3M represents a classic case study in expectation versus reality. The prevailing expectation was that 3M was a stagnant, litigious legacy stock trapped in slow growth. The emerging reality is that strict operational leadership, aggressive cost controls, and focused portfolio management have transformed the company into a high-margin compounding machine. While quarterly cash flow conversion requires careful monitoring over the coming sessions, the structural expansion in operating margins provides a solid foundation for sustainable growth. 3M has shown that even the oldest industrial names can redefine their financial trajectory when operational discipline takes priority over corporate inertia. Disclaimer: this video is made only for educational and informational purposes. I am not a financial advisor. Any stock, crypto, or investment discussed here is not financial advice. Please do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.